Hello guys, welcome to Medical Maniac. How does being a woman affect your mental health? Females are considered soft-hearted with soft decision-making capability due to their psychological structure. Therefore, we can say that gender is an important factor for determining mental health and illness. Most mental disorders is unidentified being very common. There are many people who are unable to identify the early symptoms of mental illness. But mental disorder is a serious issue, but one needs to cure it before it's too late. It's not easy to be a woman. Men and women have different physical structures. Moreover, they do have different psychological makeup. They differ in the way their brains process a result. We see that the way women react and respond to the situation is totally dissimilar to that of men. Therefore, we can say that gender plays an important role in affecting the mental health of a person. According to the researchers, the high mean level of internalizing disorder is seen in women, whereas men have a high level of externalizing disorder. However, the symptoms of a mental issue also vary in males and females. According to WHO, women generally top the list of common mental health. The depressive disorder found in women is about 41.9%, whereas 29.3% in men. The old age mental disorder like depression is mainly found in women. Women are 10 times more prone to eating disorders when compared to men. A study showed that anxiety found in women's service members is quite high than in men. Serious mental illness is likely to be more common in women by about 70%. A mental disorder refers to an illness that affects the way you feel, you think, or you behave. There are several types of mental disorders, out of which some are long lasting, whereas some occur occasionally. Some mental disorders that are common in women are as follows. We can see depression. It is a condition that lowers a person's mood and affects their mental health. There are certain forms of depression that are uniquely found in women. Some of them are prenatal depression, premenstrual depression, etc. We can also see eating disorder. There are several causes of eating disorders like chronic dieting, anxiety disorder related to someone diagnosed with mental illness. We can also see bulimia nervosa and anorexia nervosa. According to a report, women in the United States are more prone to eating disorders than men. Bipolar disorder. The maniac depressive illness or a bipolar disorder refers to the condition in which a person suffers severe mood swings. It can be bipolar, which is common in both males and females. It can also be bipolar 2, generally found in females. Anxiety. If anxiety remains for more than 6 months, it can take the form of general anxiety disorder. It can take other forms like panic disorder, separation anxiety, or phobia related disorder. We can also see post-traumatic stress disorder. It is an illness in which person suffers interactable thoughts or feelings about an event. It occurs when a person is unable to get out of any past experience. Yes, there are several reasons that attack the mental health of a woman. Some of them are listed below. Some of them are career. Women belong to the sections that are deprived of much of freedom. Most women want to make their careers but have to face many restrictions. These can be the reasons that affects their mental health. Sexual abuse and harassment. These are the common cause of mental torture and illness in women. Women are not safe in the workplace or other areas. Stress or workload. Women are the vulnerable part of the society that has so many responsibilities and workloads. These will naturally lead to high stress in women. Domestic violence. Domestic violence not only affects the mental health but also the physical health of women. This causes injuries, depression, stress, gynecological problems, even are the causes of suicide among women. Reproductive health, hormonal change, menopause, menstrual cycle, pregnancy, perinatal loss, etc. affect mental health of women. So what can be done? Mental illness is a subject of concerns these days. Women should not ignore the symptoms and must take proper care. However, society too is responsible for this situation. Women should be given power and freedom and proper empowerment The social status of women in society needs to be improved. On a personal level, if a woman suffers early symptoms of a mental issue, she should consult health related organizations. There are some organizations that provide advice and support to the women that help them overcome their mental illness. Therefore, they can also consult a general practitioner who will guide them. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll meet you on another video of Medical Maniac. Bye.